with ups and downs and thunderstorms. Amidst the rains, passengers in lanes. My serviced heart takes off the runway, more often towards the sunway. With lots of pain, yet love insane, my heart takes off like an aeroplane. It tumbles, it fumbles, it thrives, it bumbles, it shivers, it withers, and yet its path, it clears. It shakes, it breaks, it loves, it hates. Oh, it still is holding ground. It still is flying up so high with all its roaring sound. It's been taken down times again. It still takes off with an aim to still give love and still be loved, carrying passengers to their destination names. Yes, it's my heart. My heart is an aeroplane.